Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be solving question number 16 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says write a program to print a number. So it should be a triangular number, or the question is not even correct, but that's how it's in the book. So we have to write a program to print these numbers in this form. Okay, so we are going to use the loop to print this one, and then we are going to use the nested loop. Okay. So I'm going to use the for loop. How many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 lines. Okay. So the first one is 1. I is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so within the for loop, we are going to use the nested loop. So it's going to be another loop for j and this j is going to be less than or equal to I, and we can increment j. Then we are going to print j. Set print. We're going to print j. So, and I'm going to print a new line. So I just need a new line. So first execution, we are going to get this one. So this code is going to run, this block of code is going to run. Then we get 1, and then we get the new line. From then, because we are printing in the same line, then it will iterate, and then we print the 2, 1 and 2, and it will come to the next line until it reaches to this. So I think this is the code. So let me run it and see. Okay, so you see, that's it. So this is the nested loop. So it is the code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.